So here's the problem. You want a small knife that you can actually carry for every day, but most of them feel cheap, bulky, or unforgettable. You know what? This one hits just a little bit differently. It's compact, solid, and really, really easy to use. It opens smooth. It really does have a comfortable grip in my hand. Um, I think the craftsmanship really does stand out here. I use it mainly for opening boxes, packages, quick tasks around the house. Stuff you don't think you even think about it until you need a knife. You're like, hey, I wish I had a knife in my pocket. Well, now you don't, right? It really does disappear in your pocket. I really like the weight of it. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Good weight. Um, Honestly, it's one of the best pocket knives that you can actually give as a gift if that's what you're looking for too, to give away as a gift. So if you want a practical everyday knife that also looks great, I would highly recommend this Valhalla knife.